Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Music how to move songs in playlist. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To move songs around in Amazon Music playlist, unfortunately you cannot reorder songs within a playlist directly in the mobile app as of now. But what you can do is use the Amazon Music desktop app or web player. To do it, head over and open up Amazon Music on your desktop or in your browser. Then simply tap on your library on the bottom of your screen or select library from your screen and then look for a drag handle, and then simply you should be able to click and hold on a song and drag it up or down to reorder the playlist. And once done, all you gotta do is set in the desired position and the changes should save automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.